Hi there! This video will show you how to make cloaking in PeerClick. So let's start. Go to the campaign section and click the New button. Here you can choose required function. It is cloaking. Please note, this feature is available only from the billing plan Basic Plus. After this, write the name and add the link on the website. As you can see, it is this link. We copy this domain and paste in PeerClick campaign with HTTP. Also, we recommend use SSL certificate for cloaking. Then you need to choose that source, which we will cloak. In our case, it is Facebook, so we choose it. Let's add one rule to check the work of cloaking. Identify Opera browser as a bot, so all the users from this browser will be shown as bots. In such way, we check the work of cloaking. Here enter that browser what we need. As we said, it is Opera. Enter the search, mark checkbox and add. We are going to cloak using URL link. Here enter that black website, where we will redirect users to. In our example, we use a Google website. Click here. The system shows that we didn't enter traffic source. Select the necessary one and click to create. And go to the PHP tab. Download PHP script, and if you need, you can rename it into convenient view. Now go to hosting. At once you need to check adjusted version PHP. It shouldn't be later than the 7th one. To do this, in our example at GoDaddy Hosting, come to Admin Panel section, select PHP version. In our case, it is version 7.2. Let's go further. Now we need to come to the file manager, which is catalog public HTML. There we add the white landing, which is necessary for you. We prepared it earlier and downloaded any website, which we are going to add now. After this, come back to the catalog. Now unpack archive folder with the website. From the appeared folder, transfer everything to the root folder, public HTML. Delete the archive folder. Now add our previously downloaded file with the cloaking script. Come to the editing of the index.html file. First, rename it to index.php. It is necessary to make cloak work. After that, add 2 lines of code. For this, we edit the document and leave a little space at the top. Then we go back to the tracker and copy the 2nd and 4th lines. The 2nd. Here you need to note the name of the script file for cloaking and copy it. After that, copy the 4th line. Save the changes and close. Now it's time to check how our cloaking works. To do this, go to the campaign, edit it to copy the campaign link, and paste it into Google Chrome browser. After clicking on the link, we are redirected to Google page, as it was intended. Remember, the Opera browser users should consider it as bots. Enter the link, click Enter, and we can see the result. We are sent to the white site. Well, now let's proceed to the moderation on the Facebook. To do this, initially you need to turn off cloaking. Clicking this icon. When the color changes to red, the cloaking is turned off. Go to the Advertising Manager. At the first 2 stages, we do not change anything, so click to continue. we will use all the settings that the Facebook recommends by default, so that the advertising campaign setting won't be delayed. At this stage, also click to continue. At the third step, you need to come back to the tracker in the campaign section, click Edit our cloaking campaign and copy the site URL. In Creatives, we use one image. It is enough for our example. Load any image from your library or from internet. And add the previous copied URL to required tab. We can also add some description. After that, confirm. Now all settings are saved and advertising is sent to moderation. At this stage, we can stop this video and wait until the campaign is checked. As you can see, moderation is passed. The first shows are gone. So now we can turn on our cloaking in the tracker. For this, we change the icon from red to green color. Thank you for your attention. Make cloaking with PeerClick.